Hi, my name is Michael Kotler and I'm here to talk with you about our project, the Ticket Store Game. Thanks for taking the time to listen to us. We developed the Ticket Store Game to try and help with kids' behavior. You know, kids are generally good, but sometimes they can use a little bit of help in improving their behavior. So we sought out to talk with people to try and figure out what might help. And in talking with people, child psychologists, behavioralists, moms, dads, and teachers, we realized that a lot of people were doing what we were trying to do using homemade methods. And so we tried to put everything in one box. And that's how we came up with the Ticket Store Game. The Ticket Store Game is a child's behavior game. We utilize tickets to encourage kids to behave better. The kids use their tickets to buy rewards from the Ticket Store game board. So what we tried to do is create a fun, interactive game that parents and teachers can play with their kids. We're at the stage of development where we have the game in the box. We have it out there, and our project is to raise funds to undertake a marketing and sales campaign to try and get the word out and sell our game. So let's just talk a little bit about the concept and how it works. In our game, we include the store information and recommended rewards. Kids can play for really anything, things that they like, things that may have no value monetarily, but for example, getting to play their Wii game for a half an hour, or watching TV for a half an hour, going to a movie, or getting maybe lunch with mom or lunch with dad. And each of those would have a certain number of tickets that they have to earn and save and use to buy that particular reward. We have the rules of the game so that everybody can understand how it's played. And importantly, one of the things in that process is to reinforce the earning of the rewards with praise. You always want to try and catch your child doing something good because you're building a foundation on which they can learn how to act better. We have some suggested number of tickets to be earned. For example, making your bed can earn 3 tickets, brushing your teeth can earn 3 tickets, getting yourself dressed can earn 3 tickets, and so forth. We have home requirements and suggestions, and then there are school requirements and suggestions. Not talking in class, not talking in the hallway, showing respect for others, being a good listener, those sorts of things. And so, what happens? Well, the first part of the process is that kids are asked to do certain tasks, and if they perform those tasks, they earn tickets. And we've got sheets of tickets that come along with the game that the kids can earn. When they earn the tickets, they store them in their bank boxes. So each child is going to have a bank box. You can see here, we've just made the outline of the bank so that the kids can color the bank in. And then of course on the top, this bank belongs to, and they can write their name there so they know where their tickets are being held. Now, there are a host of different rewards, and we have made some pre-printed rewards cards. So for example, a new toy, or a half hour of TV, a sleepover, or a manicure. Those things are pre-printed, and those cards just pop out and go onto the game board. Then there are blank cards. Let's say that your child has something in particular. You can draw a picture, or the child can draw a picture. And then of course the parents determine how many tickets it's going to take in order to get that reward. And they write in the number of tickets. And then that brings us to the Ticket Store game board. So we have a game board with 12 windows, which means that parents can select various rewards. Here we have bowling, and the bowling reward goes up here. The parents determine how many tickets it's going to take, and once the child has earned those tickets, He can come to mom or dad or teacher and say, I now have 12 or 18 or however many tickets it takes. They can take that reward off and redeem it with mom or dad. Again, it's the parents that are determining what the number of tickets are, and the parents and the children will select the rewards that they're paying for. This concept really isn't any different than what American Express or MasterCard does with rewards points. We all do it as parents. It's an effective method of getting people to behave in a particular way. Our goal, again, is to raise $10,000 for sales and marketing efforts. We really want to try and get this game out there so that people can understand that it's there, it's prepackaged, and it's available. We're very excited about it. We've spent a lot of time and a lot of money in developing the artwork, the concept, and getting a patent on this method. So we appreciate your support, and thank you for taking the time to listen to our video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to get you all the information that you need. Thanks again.